Yo guys, this is your artist TolgArt and welcome back to my channel. Today with something really special. This is a big collaboration with DaffDuffArt from Instagram. In case you don't know him, he is a very talented digital artist and I love his work. You can see that he is doing some high quality stuff and I was very excited to work with him. And today's drawing is about Goku as a Super Saiyan Blue fighting Jiren. I will do the line art, including the sketching and inking, and DaffDuffArt is going to do the digital coloring. The drawing turned out absolutely phenomenal, guys. Big thanks for the collab, buddy, it was fun. Now guys, let's enjoy the video together. And please watch the whole video and see how the drawing came to life. TolgArt and DaffDuffArt collaboration, let's go. So guys, as I told you, this drawing turned out as an absolute beauty. I think I did a pretty good job on the line art, but what DaffDuffArt has done with the coloring is just outstanding. That's exactly why I wanted to work with him. I think he's one of the best in terms of digital drawing. And I think it's very interesting to see the digital process. And as you saw in the video, he had to redraw the inking lines because his program haven't accepted mine. And you can also see that he did a few variations which shows his working process. And even without any background, it looks absolutely fantastic. Make sure to show him some love and visit him on Instagram. First link in my info box. So guys, now it's your turn. What do you think of this video? Have you expected anything like this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm really curious. And also, if you enjoyed the drawing, give this video a thumb up. That will help my channel a lot. And don't leave this video without subscribing if you're new on my channel. Let's reach 300 and 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. That would be so amazing, guys. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.